I've been snoring for years and it became a real problem. I tried sprays, nose strips, and different solutions, but nothing truly worked. Then I decided to try this anti-snoring mouthpiece, and things finally changed. It has different adjustment levels and it molds to the shape of your teeth. So once you find the right fit, it feels comfortable and secure while you sleep. After about a week of using it, my snoring was finally under control. I started sleeping better and so did everyone around me. It's affordable, easy to use, and honestly worth trying if you struggle with snoring.